Hi guys, I'm on the way to the open field spot. Just thought I'd do a short update what happened the last few days. And yeah, it was really frustrating because I wanted to build a new quad. The main reason why I built a new quad was that I wanted to try the 2207 motors. I decided for the Johnny FPV motors with 2700 kV. Yeah, and I had so much cello and vibrations in my build, and for the last 2 weeks I tried to figure out what's the problem. And 2 weeks later, so it was 2 days ago, I found out that the frame, the new Badger frame, is the problem for the vibrations. And now I have the new Johnny FPV motors on my Marmotte build to try them, and let's see how they will perform, my friends. I'm dying. I'm dying, it's so hot.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Oh my god, guys, these motors are sick as hell. They are screaming like, don't know, a little child. It's so terrible loud. And they're so fast. On this spot it's it's kind of epic, yeah. But if you're using this on proximity stuff or a bando, you won't have that throttle control like you would have with a lower kV motor like my T-motors I'm using. Yeah, the most guys say that's the max for freestyle if you're using a 4S LiPo. But I thought I want to try this, and yeah, it's kind of fun. No doubt, it's really fun. But they won't replace my 24 kV motors from T-Motor. But on a bando or something, I need more throttle control, and on low end, it's really hard to control. This was a short review about the motors. I really want to try them, and I like them. But yeah, we'll see. I wish you a great day, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like the video. I hope I'm not making a fucking accident.